As you can probably hear by the vacuum in the background, it is moving day here at the Bristol household. We're going 4 spots that direction. We're getting another spot here at the KOA that we're camping at. I know it sounds dumb, but basically we just wanted just a little difference, just a different view. So we're gonna go 4 spots down, and it gives us a little bit of time to rotate the tires, get the grease moving in the bearings. When we stop, I always worry about flat spots on our tires, so now I'll be able to make sure that when we're sitting again, we're not sitting on the same spot. So just little things like that I like to do. Plus it keeps us on our toes for packing up all of this stuff, all those pictures and dishes. We gotta put all those cups somewhere. Just keeps us on our toes so we don't get relaxed as we're work camping, you know, that type of thing. Right now Kristel is vacuuming. When it got an alarm going off, I don't know why we had an alarm going off. Sorry about that. Right now Kristel's vacuuming. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that we get under these lips right here on our slides, because I'm sure you guys have seen the Finding Our Someday video that they did. I'm sure you guys have seen the Finding Our Someday video that they did where they drugged the slide and ripped the floor because of a screw. And then the other guys with Less Junk More Journey, they drugged like a little kid's toy or something across their floor. So now we're really adamant about making sure we check under our slides. Side note, does anybody else's wife save random plastic things, containers, to later use for whatever? I don't even know. Spaghetti, screws, whatever. Let me know in the comments if anybody else is like that. Or do I just have the crazy one?
No, everyone does that. It's free Tupperware. What do you want me to say?
Free Tupperware and a non-fat Greek yogurt container.
Going for a ride? Are we going for a ride? You want to go for a ride? Hey, so we are on our first little trek in our solitude.
Solitude? Is that like attitude?
Like an attitude. I like it. How was the setup, you think, babe? First time?
For us, it's not the first time, but for us not doing it in probably 4 or 5 months, not breaking down and setting up, it actually went pretty smooth. I mean, we woke up at like 7:40, had coffee, took the dog out to eat, go to the restroom. We had breakfast. We did not rush,
and we even cleaned.
And we even cleaned a little bit, and we were out of there by it's 11:13 right now, so a little over 3 hours. I mean, that's not almost 4 hours. That's not bad.
No. And now we are heading down 95 to the next exit, and we're gonna go to the Blue Beacon and get this bad boy washed.
It's dirty. Last time I washed it by hand with a telescoping ladder with a rag, and basically just smeared the dirt around. So this time we're hoping to get an actual wash.
Jason doing a little walk around. We're at the truck wash.
At the truck.
Oh yeah, Blue Beacon. And actually this is probably the smallest line we've ever seen.
It really is. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're number 11 outside in line. So I'd imagine there's probably 13 because there's probably one in each bay.
Yeah, I would think so too. And this will be Winter's first truck wash as well. So hopefully he doesn't freak out. Winter! He's taking a view of the scenery over there. Alrighty, so we just went to the Blue Beacon truck wash. This was our first time ever going to it, so it was a learning experience for us.
As we learn, we tell you guys, so you don't have to go through some of the stuff that we do.
Right. Unless you're professionals and you have any advice, then go ahead and drop it in the comments below.
True.
But so basically, we got there. It was really nice because normally when we see this Blue Beacon, it's got trucks lined around the corner, so it's usually super busy. We got there and there might have been about 8 trucks, I think, in front of us.
Yeah.
So it took us actually, about an hour and a half, like I said it would.
That's not bad.
But that's an hour and a half with it being washed. So we probably waited about an hour. Actually, it probably was not even 30 minutes to wash it. 20?
No,
about
maybe,
20 minutes, maybe. Basically, when we pulled up, we started getting nervous because we weren't sure if we were supposed to prepay or not. You do not. So when you get in line, you go. A gentleman will come up to your window, ask you what services you want. We chose to wash the RV plus the truck and tires and whatnot. Then you pull through, they start washing. Once they get you in the bay, the gentleman will take you out. Well, the driver out, and you go inside, and that's where you pay. A little tip, or not a tip, we got nervous, not sure if you're supposed to tip or not. I would assume so. And we don't carry much cash on us. We thought we could tip on the card. You cannot.
At least if this Blue Beacon you can. Maybe some other ones you can, but
we couldn't add it, but I scavenged through my purse and luckily found $5. That was our experience so far. I mean, I thought it was really quick experience, and we finally got a wash, and Winter actually did really great too.
The camper definitely needed washed. So the reason we did this is because the campground that we're at right now does not allow you to use any type of chemicals or soap. So basically you can't wash your rig unless you hand do it with water and a rag. And last time I did that, it took all day and I was basically just smearing the dirt around. So we had to move spots today, so we figured while we were packed up, might as well take it to the Blue Beacon and clean it up.
Yep.
All in all, it was a great experience. I'm really happy with it. We paid about $77.90. That's with the truck and the rig washed plus Rain-X on it. So I'm okay with that for not doing it every single day.